Hi, this is Christelle from Cricut Design. Today I will show you how to set up the score line and draw line from the birthday card. So once you're in Design Space, you click on your new project and click on Upload, Upload Image, Browse, find where you save your birthday card on your computer, select it and click Open. You can upload it straight away. Select the card, click Add to Canva. So the card should be straight away at the right size. So it should be 7 inches in height and 10 inches in length. So you can see all the layers are saying basic cuts, but the only um, layer you want in basic cuts are the card itself and the backing. So if you select the champagne glasses and the happy birthday, and you go in operation, drop down and select pen, you can see it's changed to a draw line. You could, if you wanted to, use foil and use either the fine or even the bold tip, whichever you prefer. So I will leave it as a pen. Then you select the basic cut for the line in the middle, and you change it from basic cut to score. And if I click out of it, you can see this has been changed as a score line, which would help to fold your card. If you do not have a scoring tool, just click on the eye and it will hide the score line, and then you can fold the card manually on your own. Before you can attach the card, the score line and the pen lines, you will need to ungroup the design, because otherwise you will attach the basic cut as well. So if you click on group, they all become separate layers. And then you can select the score line, the pen line, sorry, the score line and the basic line, and click attach. Once that's done, when you send it to make it, you will see that on your first mat, you will have the card to be cut out, your score line, and you've got your drawing lines. The machine usually will first score, as you can see here, then use the pen. Then it will ask you to switch the score tool for the basic cut. And on your second mat, you have your insert card. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.